Hello everyone, my name is Rosary. In this video, I will present my understanding of genre analysis. I will explain what genre analysis is, what kinds of genres we analyze, and then I'll give an example by analyzing a recount text called A Memorable Day at the Beach, based on my previous pretest result. Let's get started. Part 1. What is genre analysis? Genre analysis is a method used to understand and describe the structure and language of different types of text, both spoken and written. Each genre has its own schematic structure. That means the parts or stages the text follows, and linguistic features, or the specific language used. There are many genres in communication. For example, in spoken genres, we have greetings, introducing oneself, talking on the phone, making transaction at the bank, and more. For written genres, we often study descriptive texts, recounts, narratives, expositions, and discussions. Today, I will focus on recount text. Part 2. Example of genre analysis, recount text. Let me now show you my example of genre analysis using a recount text. This is based on the result from my pretest. So the title of the recount text is called A Memorable Day at the Beach. So this is the schematic structure. Number 1, orientation or introduction of setting and characters. Last summer, my family and I visited the beach for a weekend getaway. This sentence tells us when the event happened last summer, and then who was involved, my family and I, and where it happened, which is the beach. This is a clear orientation that sets up the rest of the story. Number 2, sequence of events or chronological series of events. The sun was shining brightly as we arrived, and the sound of waves crashing filled the air. We spent the day building sandcastles and swimming in the ocean, laughing and enjoying each other's company. As the sun began to set, we gathered around a bonfire, roasting marshmallows and sharing stories. This part of the text gives us a chronological sequence of what happened during the day. Each sentence describes specific activities in order, from arrival to sunset. Next, number 3, reorientation or personal reflection or conclusion. Okay. It was a perfect day that brought us closer together and created memories I will cherish forever. This sentence reflects on the whole experience and gives a personal conclusion. This emotional ending is typical in recount text. Next, these are the linguistic features. Number 1, past tense. The whole text uses past tense, such as visited, was, arrives, spent, built, swam, laughed, enjoyed, began, gathered, roasted, shared, brought, created, and cherished. This shows that the events already happened in the past, which is essential in a recount text. Number 2, temporal connectives or time-linking words. Some examples are last summer, as we arrived, as the sun began to set, and these words help organize the timeline of events and show the flow of the story. Number 3, specific participants. The characters are clearly stated, my family and I, and these are specific participants, not general ones like people or someone. Number 4, Action verbs. We can find action verbs that describe real activities like visited, built, swam, laughed, gathered, roasted, shared. These verbs make the story dynamic and concrete. Number 5. Conjunctions. The text uses conjunctions like and, as. These are used to connect clauses and build more complex sentences. Next, this is my interpretation. In my opinion, this text can definitely be categorized as a recount text. Why? Because it has a clear schematic structure, orientation, sequence of events, and reorientation. It consistently uses past tense to tell events from the past. It has specific characters, clear time indicators, and action verbs that make the events realistic. The story is told in order and focuses on a personal reflection, which is the main goal of recount text. Next, this is the conclusion. So to conclude, genre analysis helps us identify and understand the structure and language features of different types of text. By learning genre analysis, we improve our skills in reading, writing, and speaking, especially when we need to create or understand a specific kind of text. My example of recount text shows how this genre tells about past experiences in a structured and meaningful way. I hope this presentation helps you understand what genre analysis is and how to apply it. Thank you very much for watching my video. If you have any questions or feedback, feel free to let me know. Have a great day everyone, and see you next time.